Hey, digital pioneers. I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Clyde. Welcome to our corner of the digital universe where we dive into the latest in blockchain, NFTs, and all things Web3.
Today's news, Vitalik Buterin unveils new rainbow staking framework for Ethereum.
And hey, if you like journeying with us, make sure to drop us a like, subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends, and don't forget, comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like us to cover next.
Clyde, did you catch that update from Vitalik Buterin at ETH Taipei 2024? He's pitching this rainbow staking idea to shake up how ETH staking works, aiming to lessen the grip big players have on the network.
Rainbow staking, you say? That's an intriguing development, especially coming from someone like Vitalik. The centralization of staking with giants like Coinbase and Binance does pose a risk, even if there's no foul play yet. It's about safeguarding Ethereum's decentralization ethos.
Exactly. Vitalik's worried we're leaning too much on social pressure plus virtue to keep these big stakers in check. But what's really wild is the barrier to solo staking. You need 32 ETH, which is around $112,000. No wonder folks are turning to these massive third parties for liquid staking.
A hefty sum indeed. It certainly explains why individual participation is low. Those lazy ETH holders, as some call them, prefer handing off staking to these services, despite the centralization concerns.
Right, and with nearly 42 million ETH, or $145 billion staked, that's a lot of the network under the thumb of a few. But this rainbow staking thing might just be the solution. It's about creating tiers of staking for solo folks and pros, based on what they can manage.
A tiered system could indeed democratize staking, differentiating between heavy and light clients, and even separating capital allocators from service operators. This might allow more people to participate without compromising network security.
That's the goal. And with projects like Babylon, backed by Binance Labs, looking to bring staking yields to Bitcoin owners on other networks, including potentially Ethereum, it seems like we're on the cusp of a more inclusive staking landscape.
Inclusivity without sacrificing security or decentralization would mark a significant leap forward for Ethereum and the broader crypto space. It's fascinating to see these concepts evolve, especially with Vitalik leading the charge on rainbow staking.
Absolutely, Clyde. Ethereum's always been about pushing the envelope, and with innovations like rainbow staking, it looks like they're not planning to stop anytime soon. Here's to a more decentralized future. That's a wrap on today's digital deep dive. Thanks for exploring the cutting edge with us.
We're always here to unravel the next big thing in blockchain, Web3, and NFTs. Your curiosity fuels our exploration, so keep those gears turning and let us know what's on your mind.
If you enjoyed our digital digest, don't just keep it to yourself. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and join the conversation in the comments. What blew your mind today?
Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and exploring the digital cosmos. This is Clyde.
And Jeremy signing off. Catch you in the next episode.